Hey guys, welcome back. This is episode 5 of Face Mask Friday. Today we're going to be using the Skinfood rice mask wash off kind of thing. So this was my first time using it and I really did like it, but I don't think it's a mask. I wouldn't consider this a mask. It's a mask consistency, but it's more of like an exfoliation kind of scrub, but it's really gentle. And it has the consistency of like a rice pudding, which I found really cool. So all you have to do is put it on your face and just massage your face for like 10 to 15 minutes. I was kind of confused about the fact that this was a mask, so after the 10 minutes of scrubbing, I just left it on for like 5 minutes and then washed it off. As you can see, this video is pretty much me just scrubbing my face. And then once I was done scrubbing, I just used a damp washcloth with warm water and just wiped it all off, and my face was so smooth and so soft. I'm trying to show you guys here how like plump my skin was. I don't know if that translated through the video, but anyway, I really recommend this as like a soft exfoliating kind of scrub. And just as usual, I'm just finishing off my face mask with my Body Shop, the Oils of Life oil, and I just pressed this into my skin. And then I was done and I went straight to bed because I'm pretty sure this night I was filming this at like 1:30 a.m. And for those of you who are wondering where I get my Korean skincare and my masks from, I usually order from iherb.com. I think this mask on iHerb is around $13, so it's not expensive at all and it was gonna last you a really long time. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. Let me know if there are any other masks you'd like me to review. I always take into consideration what you guys recommend. So until then, I will see you guys in my next video.